welcome to another episode of Adventures with Abigail, or video, whatever you want to call it. Hi guys! And since it's cloudy, make sure I do encourage you to watch her videos because they are really good.
And I want you to hit the subscribe button. Sorry I haven't been posting. I've been really busy with school and everything.
And cheer. She is a cheer thing. I'm not going to say what it is because
it's a parade.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to do a fidget trading video.
I just got fidgets for like Hanukkah.
Yes.
Cause
let's get started.
All right, let's get started. Trading once, trading twice.
Me.
Okay, it spins. This spins. This clicks. This also spins. And this just moves around, and then this is basically like a game controller.
Ooh. I'll trade this. Ooh.
Okay.
I'll trade this.
Please. This is like super rare.
I'll trade this Infinity Cube as well.
Accepted.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Ooh. I don't know. Should I trade? I'm gonna trade this ball to. I'm gonna scan to see if this is a super legendary. Trading this super duper legendary, never seen ball before. Going once. Okay, what would you like to offer?
This. I have that.
Add, please. That's way too little for this amazing ball.
I have a fidget spinner. A tiny little fidget spinner.
I already have one. But that's okay.
I'm sorry. Declined.
Oh, dang.
That's not even a legendary one. I have one, and it's not even rare. And it's not never seen before, because I have it. Oh, and sorry about the background noise.
Yeah. I'm gonna trade this miniature pop tube. Okie doke. Trading orange pop tube. Going once. Okay, what would you like to offer?
I have a small little pop tube too.
Add please.
A fidget spinner, and that's all I'm trading for.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you. Yes! I totally scammed her.
I like this. I don't think this was a scam. This is really cool.
Love this. That was a total DIY of a pop tube.
Oh, I'm gonna trade this taco. But look. Oh, it's a spinner. Okay, trading this miniature ball spinner.
Me.
Oh, okay. What's your offer?
I have a bike chain.
Anything else?
Wait, I'm gonna take out the bike chain.
Okay.
I have another one.
Ooh, accept.
Actually, decline. I'm sorry.
Oh. Okay.
I'm going to trade this super cool thing.
We don't know what it is.
Yeah, we don't know what it's called. Okay.
Me. I'll trade this ball in a cage.
We don't know what it is either.
I think you try to get in that little.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. Please, this is like super rare. Like, it's legendary.
My best friend has the same thing. It's not legendary.
It's rare.
It's not rare either.
Yes, it is.
It's common. I'll do this all around the world. Squishy.
Accepted.
Ooh, this is really cool.
Whoa.
Whoa, this is so cool.
And that's where we're going to end today.
Yes. Bye, guys.